What's happening with these Muslim groups? They are turning, unfortunately, like any other party. Like any other party within the systems of governments. Opposition parties, and pro-government party, anti-government party, etc. They are making coalitions which are strange. These people are coming to implement the Sharia, and they say we want the rulers to implement the Sharia, and they themselves are indulging in coalitions which are forbidden in Sharia. One day you see them doing business with the Communist Party, or with the secularists, or etc. He goes with a beard to the parliament, and he gets out with a tie, and without unshaven. Why? Because he needs to fit with the others. These are realities, painful realities we have to accept. We are not going to magnify the leaders of these groups. We are not going to give them the allegiance. We give the allegiance to Allah and to His message, to His book, to the Sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ. That's which brings the real Muslim state. The modern day politics is just politics. It's games. No. It's not going to produce those people. Many Muslim groups have been established more than, their establishment date goes back to almost 100 years. What did they bring? Show me. They say we are the people who know what goes on in the real life, and we have to implement Islam, realistically and everything. In almost every Islamic country, they were unable and failed to produce. And what they are trying to do now, they try to take over these unions. We take the press union, the student union. This is going in all directions. Effort is going in every direction. Even if there is good in some of it, okay? But the worst thing is that what's not good outweighs what is good. Because it's dividing the ummah, these parties. Dividing the ummah, you know what it means? It means if you are in this group and I am in the other group, I pass by you, I don't say salam. Because I don't follow you and you don't follow my leader. You know what's happening to us? Allegiance is only to the book of Allah, to the sunnah of Rasulullah ﷺ, and Sabil al-Mu'mineen, and the way of the Salaf, our righteous predecessors.